There are three components to the paper-thin monitoring solution. These are the SensorMATe 3 controller, the capacitive sensing cable, and the mat. To carry out a SensorMATe 3 paper-thin calibration process, connect the capacitive sensing pod to the SensorMATe left-hand RJ12 connector. The SensorMATe unit should automatically recognize the connection of the pod and enter its calibration mode. Next, connect the capacitive sensing pod to the paper-thin mat. The SensorMATE's LCD screen will prompt you to carry out the calibration. Select the down arrow to begin the calibration process. You will be prompted to set the bed empty. Press the down arrow again. You will then be prompted to set the bed occupied. Whilst carrying out the calibration process, avoid direct contact with human skin, as this will cause a calibration error. In this calibration example, I'm using a sheet of paper to insulate the human skin from direct contact. Press the down arrow to set that the bed is occupied. Icons on the LCD screen will indicate whether or not there is an in-bed or out-of-bed condition. Once you are happy with the calibration, press the return key to enter the monitoring mode. When the service user now gets out of bed, an alarm will be raised after any tremor or dwell periods have expired. If repeat alarms or upscale alarms have been configured, the unit can be muted before these additional alarms are raised by pressing the mute key. The unit will automatically return to monitoring mode when the user returns to bed. Subsequent alarms will then be raised after the tremor and dwell periods have expired when the user exits from the monitored area again. If a user returns to the monitored area before the tremor and dwell periods have expired, the unit is subsequently reset and no alarm is raised. On disconnection of the capacitive sensing pod, the unit will report back paper-thin disconnected and send a failure alarm to suitably programmed receivers. If you have any queries, please do not hesitate to contact us on 01296 46 1000 or telecaresupport@possum.co.uk.